Okay, to create a restore point in Windows 11, search for Restore and then click on Create a Restore Point. Okay, then choose your system disk and then click Configure. Turn on System Protection and then specify the max usage. I'm going to go with 1%. And that gives me about 10 gigabytes for restore points. Then click Apply and OK. Then to create a restore point manually, hit the Create button. Give it a name. And then click Create. Our restore point was created successfully. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.